Welcome back to another video, guys. So we have another LED lighting video for you guys here today, but it is going to be for the tail lights. Now, a lot of people that I see on social media have these smoked overlays that cover the turn signal section and the reverse light section, and it makes the OEM tail lights look better, at least in my opinion, but it does make the amber show up less because, you know, it's smoked and tinted. But we're gonna fix that issue today with some new LED bulbs from LasFit. Right here, we already put one side in real quick, real easy. We're gonna show you what it looks like side by side already, and then we're gonna move to show how the install. Here it is. The right side is the new LED, left side is the stock. You guys can see that it's already making a big difference. I think it's a little harder to tell on camera actually, but in person it's much brighter. The LED, what do you think, Gary? Is it?
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see on the camera.
Yeah. This is gonna be a very simple, straightforward install. All you gotta do is open up your trunk and you'll be greeted with your tail light. You're gonna have to take out this, technically it's a push clip I think, but it's a screw type, so you screw it open so that it comes out, and then you pop it out and you pry this open. I'm gonna show you. Screwdriver or flathead, twist it open, boom. Pry this open, boom. Boom. A plastic pry tool. Jam it right in here, and you just pull it back. Oh my god, I broke it! No, that's normal. It's how it's supposed to sound. See, it's not broken. See that? Perfect. All the clips are still there. Okay, so now that your tail light bolts are exposed, you got two. 10 millimeters. Okay. Grab your wrench. Lefty loosey. Boom, that's one. Boom, that's two. Then all you gotta do is just pull, and that's it. All right, so once you have your tail light and everything disconnected, you'll be able to access everything that you need, which in our case is something quick, just a turn signal. It is a simple twist off action. So we're gonna, thanks to Gary here holding it for us. It would be easier with two people, but it is possible to do it with just one person. We're gonna twist this. Careful not scratching, you know, your bumper when you're holding up the tail light. You will have to unhook it from the tail light itself. There's like a little thing that's hooking the wire tucked in so that you can freely move this. And once you have this out, just take that out. You take your new one and plug it in. And with it plugged in, before you put everything back together, we are going to test it. It's good. Oh, have it bound backwards. Which is why it's important to test it. Yeah. Good. Nice. You guys can see from just those couple clips, very bright. Thank you, Gary. Slide it back in and make sure you don't knock it loose like we did earlier on the other side. And then twist it tight. Hear a click, and that's it. Push the wire back into its holding place. And then that's it. You pop it back in. Boom. Once you have that on, all you gotta do is go backwards, put your bolts back on. 10 millimeter, righty tighty this time. Boom.
That's it.
All done. We're gonna finish up on this side too. You see these right here, the hooks. You just wanna hook them in first. And then like that. Put the pop back in. Boom. Now let's see.
It is time.
So this is on regular lights. And the hazards. How they look here?
Super great.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can see it through the
Oh
tint.
yeah. You can see it way better through the tint.
Yeah. Looks like it's just normal.
Yeah. So if you guys are some peeps out there who also have tinted parts on your taillights, this may be a good option for you to get, especially I feel like during the summertime when the sun's beaming on you. It makes it a little harder to see the turn signal in the back, and we always want to have safety in mind, right? Anyways, if you guys like how these LED bulbs look, you guys can grab yourself a set. They're around $60 or $65, somewhere around that. But if you use my code, all caps rice cakes, you'll get 15% off your order. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. I personally really like how these came out. I think it makes a big difference. It's always the little details, even if other people don't notice, that you notice, that make a big difference. And I gotta say, overall, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Shout out to LasFit Autolighting for sponsoring today's video. You guys can check out their website. I'll link it down in the description below. They have all your auto light needs for all cars, makes, and models. It's not just for Subarus. Any lighting need you need for any car model, they'll have it. You can still use my code and get 15% off down below. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We will catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned because lots of content is coming this summer. We already got more videos editing and it's on the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace. Looks good.
Yes, sir. Quality.